Alright, what is going on, guys? This is me back in another video. This time I'm here. Making something. So check this out. I'm making this chocolate lover cake thing. And, yeah. I gave him some cooking, like some chef's quick tips. And it says you can either do 1, substitute 3 tablespoons of water with 3 tablespoons of coffee, which I don't like coffee that much, so And there was option number 2, substitute 3 tablespoons of water with 3 tablespoons of cola, which I don't know if you can see it right there. So what I did first is I wanted to see what it would look like with this. Is just plain water right here. This, ouch, this is cola. Not really cola, it's not Coca-Cola, but it's Dr. Pepper. So I'm gonna get a drink real quick. So, I already know what it's gonna taste like with water. I'm gonna get the water one real quick. Do a little quick. This is its taste. So this is its taste. This is water. Huh. Not that bad. Now I'm gonna go get the one with Dr. Pepper. Right? By the way, this is not sponsored by Dr. Pepper, real quick, but yeah, I got Dr. Pepper. So, Dr. Pepper one right here. Looks better. This is its taste. Dr. Pepper wins. Wait. I need one more bite of water. This Dr. Pepper wins, you guys. Try Dr. Pepper with this if you get it. Dr. Pepper blows water out of the water. I was just making a joke. Dr. Pepper blows the water out of the water. This one loses. That's water. Dr. Pepper wins. So definitely do Dr. Pepper if you're gonna do it, because water does suck. It tastes really weird with water versus this one. Yeah, but most definitely, I recommend it. You can try regular like Coca-Cola, but Dr. Pepper works. So yeah, try it. Let me know what you guys think if you've tried it. If you try it, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, that's it for this video. And I'm